Alright. Day 1. Hello po. Hello, Ma'am Nits. Hello, Ate Ninita. Si Ma'am Nits. Ayan, she's so nice to accommodate us. Want to show you guys where we stayed. This is the sidewalk. Right by. This is the house we stayed. Right there. And then look at this, guys. So beautiful here. Wow. Wow, guys. Actually, the weather just got, yeah, the swell and the waves got stronger today. It was very calm last night. But look at this, guys. This is our place right there. Wow. Oh look, there's a chicken and some chicks. Look at that. Wow. Really reminds me back home, guys. This is last time I was here was 40 years ago. I was about, I think it was 7 years old, 8 years old, but I still remember everything. So we're gonna go out and eat. Come see the city of Banton, and then from there we're gonna head out to my family, and then we're gonna go to the school too, because we have a special delivery. If you guys follow my channel, we prepared something to deliver to the city of Tungunan. Ate, salamat po ate. Ate. Yes. Oh, look at this, guys. This is an old setup house made out of bamboo on top. Probably local. Probably. Oh wow, look at this. Shells. Giant clams. Wow, I remember those when I was a kid. We play with those, but those are probably, it probably came from the local here. Hello po. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so fast. Hi. Oh wow, look at that. There's a market there. Yeah, look at this. Wow, I bet you this is like local, just a local made banig. There's a banig. Oh. Hello po. Hi. Good morning. Wow, look at this. Oh wow, I remember this. This is for the bingo. Bingo. Pang bingo po to, no? Oh wow, handmade po to, no? Dito ginawa. Wow, ang ganda. Wow, they got some sticks. Banga. Alright. Sari-sari store. Shout out to Auntie Taleng. I miss your store, so can't wait to go back there too. Hello po. Wow, look at this, guys. I love this boat right here. See, look at it, has a katig. The katig is the raft, the side rafters. Look at that. Nice. Looks like this one looks like a single one. Single. It reminds me of a kayak. Look at this, guys. Oh. Wow, there's no motor on this one. So technically this is a paddle one. Wow, this is the look at this, guys. Wow, that's where we docked last night. Rizal Park, which is named after Jose Rizal. Wow, this is nice. We got the hello po, hi, hello po. We have the officer there, the rescue fire truck officer, and we got Jose Rizal. That looks like a Christmas tree made out of coconut. The coconut leaf. Look at this was turned on last night, so it was beautiful. The fountain and the water coming out of the dolphin's mouth. Wow, this looked like the island. I guess this is the Romblon Island. This has to be the Romblon Island. Wow, that's pretty cool. They have the actual miniature Romblon Island. Then they have these. Oh gosh. Alright, I better run. You're waiting for me. You got the Jose Rizal. Hello po. Hi po. Hello po. There we got the Jose Rizal and the Filipino flag in there. Yeah. Let's see the Bayan Banton. Okay lang pong video po. Hello po kayo, kamusta po kayo? Baguhan lang po dito, namamasyal.
Saan po kayo, sir?
Tiga San Francisco po, California. Pero po, tatay ko po lumaki dito eh. Padrigon po last name ko sa Tunasan. Ayan, Tungunan. Tungunan po, tiga Tungunan po ako. 40 years po ako yung nandito ako dati. Tagal na rin, so bata pa po ako. So, ngayon po, bibisita po ngayon sa auntie ko. Opo, sige po, salamat po, bye. Wow. All right, you got to see the fire truck there. Good to know they have a fire truck rescue folks here in this town. Oh, aunties have a tank. Oh, they have a tank. It's kind of scary to have that tank in your motorcycle. Oh, look at that! This is gonna ride it that way. Oh man, my wrist assessment is kicking in. That's kind of dangerous. But wow, if you could see, I'm about to zoom in. This is the World War II Banton veterans here, but on this island in Romblon, mostly all last names starting with letter F. So if you look, my last name, as you look, most of these last names starting with letter F. Except these two here. Except these two, they're probably not around from they're veteran, but they're not around from, probably not originally from the island. But as you can see, all their last name are starting with F, except that one. We have two there. But, nice. Banton World War II veteran. Actually, I was told that my grandpa also worked with the World War II U.S. Navy as well. During the World War II, I think most of the Filipinos here are actually assisting World War II U.S. Navies because this is actually they're the lookout for the Japanese ships, so they're the first responders. So wow, ito na yung bayan, di ba kuya? Ito yung bayan mismo.
Ito yung munisipyo.
Munisipyo. Ito. This is the municipal office. And this is the actual main bayan, they call it main bayan, which is the city of Banton. Poblacion.
bago na to eh.
Oh, this one here is new po. Anong year yan?
Before pandemic.
Before. Okay, so this area here, I was just told by my cousin, it's a new area here. So it's probably like 4 or 5 years old because it was being built before pandemic.
Good morning, sir.
Hello po. Oh, look, there's the basketball court. Oh, it's the gym. Oh, wow, look. Wow, that's
Ito lang kamay? Dito sa ano?
Hello po, hello.
Ano ba yan?
Hello, good morning.
Kay Doc?
May pharmacy sa baba.
Kay Doc. Doc Robert Edmond. Ayos?
Mamaya.
Labol.
Dito
Sige
muna.
pa, sige, kuya.
Okay.
Okay, kuya is here. Like, kuya's playing basketball.
Head ng ano? Fire department.
Anong department?
Fire department.
Fire department yung pinto natin kanina. Oh wow, fire department. So he's the head of he's the chief of fire department. So this is another house we're going to have breakfast. So, actually we were here last night when we arrived, and this is where we had our late dinner. So now we're gonna have a breakfast. So cool. Hey guys, we're having fish for breakfast. Oh yeah. Look at this. Looks like there's some
Talaga?
Hindi yung
one
to one.
These
are the eggs.
Normal rice na yung sasayin mo na lang. Alam ko binababad ko.
Wow, sarap.
Mas matigas siya.
Wow, salty and crunchy.
Yung brown rice.
1:1 ba yan?
Ito yung ano niya. Yung
Fresh fish.
ulo.
Ano ba to?
Masarap.
Ayan ang ulo.
Talakito.
Masarap.
wow, look at
Masarap
Ano
sa
to,
bawan.
talakito?
Hindi ko nga kilala. Hindi ako masyadong sa isda.
Hindi naman to salmon eh.
Sigang po yan. Pero meaty po, no? Ayun, no? So meaty. Ano pong... ano bang isda yan?
Hindi ba salmon?
Mayroong mas malaki doon.
Hindi, kailangan kulay pink. Pink yun, diba? Or meron din puti na ano.
Wow, look at this, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna go to Mayor's house, our Auntie Melly. We're gonna bring some pasalubong. She's not here. We met her last night, but she have to go to the other island. So, but we're gonna deliver some pasalubong. Kuya Francis got some bag of pasalubong. We have the cappuccino.
Di ba, may tao ba doon?
Cappuccino. We're gonna bring some cappuccino to the mayor. I heard this is her favorite, so we're gonna bring some for her. And look at this, guys. This is the city of the Windlawn, Banton. Oh, it's nice here. So clean. Look, guys. So clean in here.
Daanan ko lang dito sa ano.
Oh, look at this.
Daanan mo muna sa pulutan natin. Oy, grabe. Sorry man si Darren.
Kami, no?
Ito pala yun. Sus. Handa.
Hello.
Nakakaba tayo.
Hello po.
Ano
Hello
to
po.
Dorado?
Whoa! Wow!
Yung mamsa.
Mamsa.
Yung
Wow! Look at this. Excuse me, Kurt.
4 kilos. Meron kami
Wow!
pet monkey. Wow.
Look at this, guys.
Di ba nangangagot yan?
Hindi naman, ito.
Wow! Look at this fish.
Ito di ba?
Oh, he speared it. Pana po to, no? Napana. Wow, napana. Na-speared, oh. Got speared. Wow, look at this fish.
Sabaw mamaya, ulo.
Wow. Lulutuin natin to, kuya. Wow, we're gonna cook this later. Wow, that's a treat. Salamat, kuya.
Wow.
Wow.
Gutong ano.
Hi.
Hindi siya nagkukuto.
Oh, Tagalog.
Tagalog siya.
Tagalog siya. Oy,
Tagalog siya.
lalaki babae po.
Lalaki.
Lalaki, oh. Hi.
Say hi.
See yourself?
Kita oh.
Oh, hey. Ah. Vlogger to. Oh, guys, look. This is a treat. Kuya, our cousin, actually prepared one for us. Look. We're gonna eat this later. Wow.
Astig ka talaga.
I think kinain natin kasi ganito yung pareso, no?
Yung fire truck.
Nanay, hindi naman masyado.
Si nanay.
Kita si nanay eh.
Ay, nanay. Nadigil po ako. Sige po, salamat po. Si nanay. Oh. Okay, guys. So, this is why this place is so clean. No littering. No, there's fine. And there's a curfew on this town. 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. you can. There's a curfew for the whole town, so 8 p.m. is supposed to be remaining indoor already until 4 a.m. So that's why when we arrived last night, all the street, everything is quiet. Pretty much no one's out except us because we just arrived last night. So all right, so this is the basketball court. Oh, yeah, they're playing with no shoes and they're quick. Hello po. So it's like an old stage.
Dito may iba lang dito, Ben.
This is the church.
Century Bell yan.
This is a century bell.
Ano to? 1813?
Wow. 1813. Wow, this is 1813. I have to touch it. Wow. 1813. Banton Century Church. All right, this is the church. This is actually the first time I've seen this church. I've never been here before. When I was Alright, we're gonna go in the church. Nandun na, bumalik na sila.
Oh.
Wow, look at this. This is the church. Wow. So nice and peaceful and so cool here. Nice. Okay, we have to bow first. Wow, very beautiful church. Wow, this is a nice church. May donation box ba dito? Hindi ko alam baka may donation box. I'm looking for a donation box. I don't know if this is a donation box. Oh, this is the kandila. This is for the. That's for the candles. Wala. Okay. Looking for a donation box. Maybe they have one here. Ito lang, pero ano to? Sa basket, lagyan natin. Oh no, this is a kandila sa posporo. There's no donation box. I don't want to leave any money. It looks like a garbage basket. Here's the
Ito wala, hindi.
Hindi, ano siya, lagyan ng candle. Candle yan. Meron ba?
Meron siyang key.
Okay. Okay. All right, we found a donation box. Thank you, Kuya Richie, Kuya Francis. So it looks like this is the candle. I was looking at these, but this is a slot, but it's locked. So let's get some. Putting some money here. Oop. Okay. Some donate some money here. Okay. Cool. All right, we found the donation box. Ooh, all right. All right, see. Let's go. Hinihintay na tayo doon, no, kuya? All right, let's go. Pinto? Ay, hindi ko.
Ito na may paganto.
All right, so this is the.
Ito
Is this
kasi.
all right? Look at the chicken. Look at the chicken. So look at this motorcycle. It's like a motorcycle, probably like a turkey motorcycle with a seat. See, there's a seat.